Alright, today we're going to show you our 13 by 40 inch Clausing Colchester geared head engine lathe. This machine is a 220 volt 3-phase 1984 machine. This is a clutch machine, so right now the motor is running. It's a 1-speed motor with 16 different speeds. This gives you a lot more threads and a lot more feeds to choose from. Some machines have a 2-speed motor. This is a single-speed motor. Right now you can hear the motor running. Right now we're dialed in at 1860 RPM. Throw the lever. Nice and smooth. Brake and stop it. That was reverse. We'll try something a little slower here. Get you down to 1000 RPM. It's running good. Ways are in good shape. There's no lip here. If I run my fingernail on that, nice and smooth. This is a straight bed lathe. There's no gap. On a Colchester you can tell because the feed handle here is on the left side. It has a 5-position stop down here, which will stop the carriage and kick out the feed down there automatically. Stop is adjusted right over here. You can move those stops anywhere along the bed. Your thread dial, steady rest, 4-position tool post. You have the 3-jaw here. Also comes with the 4-jaw. And you can engage the threading. This should be the thread. Lower RPM of 320, a little better. Alright, everything works on it. If you want to come and see it, please give us a call. It has a coolant system down in here. We need to test that yet. There's the hose. Might be down in the base, splash guard. Everything seems to be working just fine. We've tested all the feeds. The threading and all that works good. Brake works good. We have a couple of handles on here we have to put back on. No problem. Thanks for viewing our Clausing Colchester 1340 straight bed engine.